When you're teaching your students how to add unlike fractions, you want to start out with visual models. So in this example, I have 2/3 already colored in, and we're adding that to 1/5. And in order for the fractions to talk to each other, to communicate, they have to be speaking the same language. So they both need to have the same denominators. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 2/3 into 15ths. So you want to basically tell students you're going to take this fraction and you are going to divide it up into fifths. So it's almost like you're taking these lines that you have right here and you're putting them on top. So now when we do that, we have 10/15. Okay, and it's basically the same as multiplying this by 5, right? Then we want to take our 1/5 and we want to make it into 15. So we're taking these same lines and we're drawing them over here because now we are splitting this up into thirds, which is basically the same as multiplying by 3. And now we have 3/15. So again, you're taking that 3 and you're just splitting that up into thirds. And then you just add them together and you get 13/15. The lines were drawn vertically here and horizontally here. You don't necessarily have to do that. Both of the lines could be horizontal, but sometimes it helps the kids visually see how we're putting these fractions, how we're splitting them up into thirds. And then over here, we're splitting these up into fifths. So it's almost like I said, we're overlapping, and it helps them to see that visually. And don't forget to check out my blog at schoolhouseengage.com for more classroom tips.